So, hello, a little update here on the pond. I haven't got much time to work on the pond, but still I found some time to work a little bit on the waterfall. I made the base here. Then I also put some more sand here on the beach. It was raining the last few days and I decided to put some more sand, so if the water level comes up, it will be over the sand. Also, I made another stone wall here and one more on the other side for planting, for like a planting zone for the aquatic plants that I'm going to use to filter the water. Maybe I will install a pump to absorb water here from this area, but I haven't decided what to do yet. I will fill this with gravel for the plants to root in the gravel. During the summer I lost like a half a meter due to evaporation, but the autumn rain filled all this up, and I have not used any water from my wells. This is only filled with rainwater. This here in the middle, the swimming line, it will be under the water, so when I swim between these two docks I will keep a straight line. It will guide me, this line. About the water level, the water level is holding so far, knock on wood. There is no water loss at all, and here is the reason I don't have much time to work on the pond, because I've been working here on my photovoltaic system. I made this concrete foundation, but I will make another video especially for my solar system. Here is the other stone wall. I will fill it with gravel and maybe put another layer of stones here on the edge. All the fish are now hibernated or something. I don't see too much of them. Here I put a little bit more sand, because maybe in the future I'm going to use this path to exit the pond from here also. Here on the waterfall, I work a little bit on top as well. This pipe collects all the water from the roof of my house and around the house, the terraces, collects all water, and it will enter the waterfall when it rains. Here on the top I made another hole that is going to be something like how they call this, wet zone or filtration zone. I will fill this with gravel, and the pumps will push water through the bottom going up, and on top of this wetland I will have more plants to absorb and nutrients and to clean the water. And from here will be the beginning of the waterfall going down and entering the pond. Now I use my tractor to carry sand and lay it on the bottom of the pond. Here is the beautiful landscape surrounding my house. That's all.